No. There are others going to believe.
Namaskar. I am Vishwakumar. I am suffering with a cataract problem, cataract and glaucoma in my eyes. So I started taking treatment in Kerala. I got a very good improvement. But however, because of the corona, I could not go for the last 2 years. And my right eye started deteriorating. And luckily, one of my colleague and friend has helped me in recovering that with his treatment. Now, most of the problem got vanished, and it's really wonderful treatment like that.
Sir, one doubt, sir. One of you are just now you are saying one of your friend. Friend means is a diploma holder or is taken a guidance from others. How he got the experience?
He is basically highly knowledgeable, interested in different fields, and he has a knowledge of acquiring any type of skills.
Sir. Then he's in diploma of this.
Exactly.
Exactly. Okay. Good. ఇందాక మీరు కవర్ చేయలేదు. ఇగో ఇది ఇలా చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నారు, మీరు కూడా వచ్చారు. కొంచెం వెనుక రైట్ ఇంకా కవరేజ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది అయితే राइट. अरे हम साथ में निकाल रहे भाई. रेसेस కూడా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఇది ఐ am taking a treatment with eye theracare rest.
నేను హిందీలో చెప్తాను.